Okay, hi everyone. I am Sunjia, Microsoft MVP. Today we came to part 2 of 4 about stream analytics and machine learning. Who am I? I am Microsoft MVP, as I mentioned before, trainer and also speaker. Other than that, I am certified in Microsoft Azure, and lastly, I am co-organizer of Malaysia Mobile.net developer group. For today's objective is create a stream analytics job and test query on sample data stream. Run a stream analytics job and perform query on live data stream. Use an Azure IoT Hub as a stream analytics input. Use an Azure function as a stream analytics output. 4 prerequisites. An active Microsoft Azure subscription. If you don't have, please subscribe one and sign up for free trial. And other than that is Node.js. In this video, the second of 4 in the series, you will create an Azure Stream Analytics job and connect to the IoT hubs you created in the previous video. Then you will write an Azure function to receive the output and use the two of them together to analyze data streaming in from a simulated camera array. Before we go for demo, I need to let you know what is Azure Stream Analytics. Azure Stream Analytics is a cloud-based service for ingesting high-velocity data streaming from device, sensor, application, website, and other data sources, and analyzing the data in real time. It supports a SQL-like query language that works over dynamic data stream and make analyzing constantly changing data no more difficult than performing query on static data stored in traditional database. With Azure Stream Analytics, you can set up jobs that analyze incoming data for anomalies or information of interest and record the results. Present notification on dashboard, or even fire off alert to mobile device. And all of it can be done at low cost and with a minimum of effort. Scenarios. For the application of real-time data analytics are many and include fraud detection, identity thief protection, optimizing the allocation of resources, clickstream analysis on website, and countless others. Having the ability to process data as it comes in rather than waiting until after it has been aggregated offer a competitive advantage to business that are agile enough to make adjustments on the fly. Okay, let's go for demo. Okay, go back to your portal.azure.com. The first thing what you need to do is create a stream analytics job. At first, you need to go to create resources, select the IoT Internet of Things to create stream analytics job. This one I will create and I discard it. You can go for it. And I go back to my own resources, stream analytics labs. Then you can see it's already created polar bear analytics. And we click this one, and you'll see this because at the end it will be filled. Okay, get the input, the camera input, we add the stream input. As a IoT hub. Then after that, you can see that it has camera input This is the setting. Now we need to prepare the query. Because this one, query, this one, edit a query. After you upload it, you need to add a query. Then select the camera input and upload sample data from file. You no need to worry, I will share the tutorial later at below of my video. After upload, you need to test whether okay. As a test, upload sample data file. Some, if I'm not mistaken, upload a sample data file. Okay, correct. Okay. Then how we test? The data already upload to the camera input and test it. Okay, it will show you the 50 row of result. The data contains 50 rows, is representing an event transmitted to the IoT hub by one of the cameras in the camera array. Okay, we can test other. Other than that, other query you can use, you can follow my tutorial. Okay, now we need to go to the Azure functions. We need to create Azure function resources. Here are resources and check for Azure functions. Okay, sorry. Function app. So the first one, then create it. After you create, you will see the Azure function, Stream Analytics Lab 2. And you just click one. If you don't have, you add the function. Then after that, save and run the input this function, this index.js, save and run it. Okay, now we go to the output of the Stream Analytics, Polar Bear Analytics. Then we need the output. Then we add. Then we select the Azure functions. Then name as a function output. Then after that, you can run the Polar Bear Analytics and start it. And now and click start. And you start the streaming job. Okay, how to analyze the live data stream? At first, go back to your previous project. Your previous project is not the project. In the first video, we create a run.js. And also, no need to worry. I will share the file and share the tutorial to you at the video below. Okay, after that, open a Node.js command prompt. Open a command prompt or terminal windows and cd to the project directory. Then run the command not run.js, not run.js. Confirm that you see the similar to the following. Indicate that 10 cameras are connected to the IoT hub. After a few seconds, additional output appear. Each line corresponds to an event transmitted from a camera to the IoT hub. The output will look something like this. Confirm the camera. Okay, now I close this. Okay, you have confirmed that Stream Analytics is receiving the input from the IoT hub and that Azure function is receiving input from the Stream Analytics. The next step is build machine learning model and invert it from the Azure function, which is exactly what you will do in the next video. In summary, in this video, you created a stream analytics job connected to the IoT hub for input and connected it to an Azure function for output. You also learned how stream analytics queries are used to extract information from temporal data stream. You may now proceed to the next video in this series, processing IoT data in real time using stream analytics and machine learning part 3 to create a machine learning model and connect it to stream analytics. That's all for today. If you got any question, you can message me with my Twitter, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you got any question, you can comment at my video below, or you want to listen more about AI or machine learning, also let me know. You can put a comment as below. That's all for today.